AIB Bank is a financial services group operating predominantly in the Republic of Ireland. We offer a full range of banking services to personal, business and corporate customers. In the Republic of Ireland we've probably got about 2.5 million customers, about 300 branch locations, 1.5 million active digital customers, about 10,000 people working in the organisation. The bank put together a plan for sustainability, at the centre of which was a significant transformation agenda. We put together a portfolio of programmes that were going to focus on our customer experience, dealing with our legacy technologies, digitally enabling our capabilities and cost reduction, taking cost out of the organisation. To deliver on the transformation agenda, we put together a revised design and delivery governance process to oversee all of that. So to actually report to that on a monthly basis, there was quite a bit of work involved in terms of aggregating all of the information from the various projects that we're running. We realised that actually PPM can actually help us automate a lot of the manual process that we have in place.
We have nearly 3,000 users who are doing everything from status and rate reporting to forecasting to developing business cases, and they all help in terms of the formulations of how we run our business, how we deliver projects back into the business, how we govern our programs into the business. The board naturally want a holistic view of what they're spending, what are they going to get from that money, and how quickly it's going to be delivered. 2.5 years ago, we were spending probably just over 2 weeks to deliver a report that was able to give them that information. Since then, we've now brought that down to about 2 days. And that goes and it's testament to the fact that we're doing status and rate reporting, we're doing our forecasting within CA PPM, and now we're able to pretty much hit a button and we're able to get the information we need. We can then critique that information and deliver those reports back to the board. Primari over the last 2.5 years have really enhanced that relationship that we have. They've been working with our technology lead here on site and have really helped and challenged us in the way that we have been configuring some of the components within CA PPM.
PPM has massively enabled our transformation journey. Now we have a standardised methodology, we have a standardised tool for capturing data. We don't have to worry about that anymore. We know that once we have complete data coming in, we can check the consistency of it. The correctness is something that needs to be understood and managed by the projects themselves. But having that across our full portfolio allows for quicker, more consistent reporting to the various bodies, whether that be on the project all the way up to AIB board and for external stakeholders.
The bank nowadays has to be hugely more responsive to what's happening in the external market. That means that there is projects running from regulatory projects to strategic projects, and we have to be able to approach those in a more agile way. It allows us to make quicker decisions. We spend less time reporting, we spend more time analysing, and it allows us to better inform the board members of the organisation to make decisions. And that's the real beauty of what we've now created.
Without PPM, AIB would struggle in reporting on its change journey. We need to ensure that the 350 or so projects that are in flight at any one time in AIB are operating correctly, are delivering value, are on the right path. Without PPM as that centralised one tool, one single source of truth, we can't answer those questions. We can generate reports that would have taken maybe a month, and as I mentioned, would be incomplete and incorrect now.